And if we open this up, this looks like it is a vector. It would print perfectly. There is no need to upscale this graphic. I had to make a quick video about this. There is a new setting right here in Dream AI that I found this morning where if you have Nano Banana Pro selected, you can change the resolution to 4K. That's not an exaggeration. You do get 4000 by 4000 pixels generated by AI. I just used a couple of the prompts right here from my previous video, and I'll show you how crisp these graphics look. So let's take a look at the first one together. So it does definitely say 4000 by 4000 pixels. The file size is quite big as well. And if we open this up and zoom in right here, this looks like it is a vector. Like, this is extremely crisp all the way down to like the furthest zoom. And I actually feel confident that if you remove the background from this, it would print perfectly. There is no need to upscale this graphic. Nano Banana Pro created it in a high enough quality for us to be able to print it on shirts without it being pixelated. Let's have a look at the other design as well. So Houston, I have so many problems. Also looks so crisp right here. This is so much better than anything we've seen before. I actually can't believe it, and it only took about 30 seconds to generate these in Dream AI. And now I could open this up in Photoshop right here, tell it to remove the background. Here we are. It's ready to print. I don't have to vectorize this. I don't have to run it through an upscaler. This is perfect. I actually can't believe it. This is a huge development and a massive step forward for AI. Now, I did check whether you can do this inside of Gemini with the kind of free access to Nano Banana Pro, but unfortunately it doesn't seem to be possible right now. I asked it, can I generate images with Nano Banana Pro 4K resolution instead of Gemini? And it said the download is capped at 2000 by 2000, whereas the model itself is capable of 4K. So using it via an API is the better route. So Nano Banana Pro is going to be built into loads of different tools like Kittle, like MyDesigns through API, and there you might be able to get the full resolution. But right now inside Gemini, where you can use it for free, that doesn't seem to be the case. It does still go up to 2000, which is pretty good, but if you want the full resolution right here, you would have to use something like MyDesigns, which you can actually use Dream AI without being subscribed to MyDesigns. You can kind of pay as you go, get credits right here, and then just generate images with all of these different models that are built in. They have the different versions of Nano Banana, they have ChatGPT built in, they have Ideogram 3, Imagen, Flux models, and it's as simple as just choosing the amount of images you need. In this case, because this model is quite expensive, which is fair since the quality is so extremely high, I would probably go with just one image at a time so you don't burn through credits. You can change the resolution right here if you want a specific aspect ratio. Then in the next step, of course, you can choose between the different resolutions right here, and then you just need to input your prompt into this box and hit Dream. Then it's going to queue your task right here. You can do multiple prompts at a time, kind of like this right here, with a gap in between them. And then you can enable parallel prompts, and then all of these will be generated simultaneously. So you can kind of queue a long list right there, and then save a lot of time and be a lot more efficient whilst generating graphics. Now this has finished right here. And once again, if we were to download this, it would give us 4K resolution. So I'll leave a link to MyDesigns down below if you want to try this out as well. I'm sure with time this will be added into Gemini 2 as like a setting to generate at the full resolution, and I think tools like Kittle as well will probably integrate this, but right now I've only been able to make it work inside of MyDesigns, and I had to share this because it's such a big improvement. Now this is only one of the reasons why I think Nano Banana Pro is one of the best AI models right now, if not the best, for print to demand. And if you want to find out the other reasons, check out this video next, where I also share a ton of tips and tricks that will help you create best-selling t-shirt designs.